Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. One of the childhood traumas and life traumas that often isn't talked about is witnessing someone else being abused. It's terrifying, horrifying, isolating. It can cause us to feel rage, helplessness, and a host of other feelings watching someone be abused, like watching another sibling be abused, watching our mother be abused by our father, or our father be abused by our mother. It's horrifying. So when you're thinking of things you want to do TAT about, don't forget that. Sometimes an adult will force other children to watch the scapegoat child be abused over and over and over, because it's a way of controlling and terrifying the other kids, whoever's there, the other family members. So if that happened to you, don't make light of it in any way. That's a big trauma and leaves lasting scars until you heal it. So I just want you to know it's very possible for you to easily heal that with TAT. It might take a few times, it might not, but it'll just become more and more a sense of inner peace when you remember what happened, and it naturally progresses into compassion for yourself, compassion for the other family members, no matter what role they played. This process just naturally brings you there. It doesn't mean that you become ever feeling like, well, what they did was okay. It's not that it was okay, but you can find naturally arising compassion and forgiveness that's just effortless. So there you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.